Hey, what is up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Dogecoin, which is currently down 1.6%, and we have a few shorts on it from this resistance level right here, which was actually the top on this sort of uptrend that we had. It's currently sitting at around 6.74% profit. With leverage, we're looking at 120% profit, shorting it down to the next support over here, and probably going to be taking profits here at 10%. We've set our stop losses to profits as well, so the trade is running risk-free for now. And yeah, really good day today, entering a few trades. We're going to go through that in just a second. Before we do though, I want to ask you guys to check out the Discord down below. It will be the first link in the description. We're sending out a bunch of trades in there which you can be copying exactly to your exchange, and yeah, you could be profiting with those, like this Doge trade, the Bitcoin trade that I'll show you, and a bunch of other trades as well. So yeah, make sure you join up so you don't miss out on any of those. Now, this is the Doge trade that I mentioned. We have just closed out of our Bitcoin trade right here, and you can see I even called this in the Ethereum video this morning. Bitcoin and crypto has been developing this pattern where it always is crashing on market open, on the stock market open. So what we get is usually this run up, and then as soon as stock market opens, we see a huge sell off. Now, if we go on to the 5-minute here, you can see we entered right on stock market open at 2:30 UK time. It's 9:30 US time when the S&P opens. We got our entries hit because we just entered based on the time, not really the price. Then we went into slight drawdown. This was like 0.3%, not really much trouble there before it, developed downwards. It took like 3-4 hours. So yeah, really happy with the trade secured. Roughly 2% profit without leverage. With leverage, that was like 58% profit. So yeah, really good trade there. And we called it out in the Discord this morning. So yeah, if you weren't in, then you weren't able to copy. If you were, congrats. So yeah, really good trade there. And we're going to be doing the exact same thing tomorrow, sort of just copy paste this strategy until it stops working. Really easy to do. So back to Dogecoin we go. Now, it's already started to come up a little bit. I need to sort of reduce this opacity, but yeah, already started to come up a bit. We have set our stop losses in profits. I'm not going to go through it in just yet where we have set them because I don't want the market makers to close us out. But yeah, they are set in profits, so if it does continue to rally back up, it'll just get us stopped out in profits and we'll have secured extra profits. But we are wanting it to go down slightly lower, although there is a lot of liquidations on Bitcoin at like 110, 111. It is seeming to come back down slightly, so it'll be interesting to see what happens there and how this progresses. It is just Monday, it is just the start of the week. We also have Bitcoin dominance to look at, which is currently down 1%, and again, we want dominance to drop so altcoins can rise. Even though we're in a few short positions, these shorts are just short term. Our longer term positions are much more bullish. So yeah, it's an interesting play that is going on. Apart from that, there really isn't any fundamental news regarding crypto or the world that is really affecting crypto like we had last week with tariffs and DeepSeek. So yeah, nothing like that. It's purely technical based, I'd say, for now. We touched a resistance on Doge, so now we're coming back down slightly. We do have a major support over here. I say major support, it's mostly just consistent of a few lows. If we essentially just short to there, it's like 9% profit. Currently it is sitting at like 8% profit, so not too bad. Again, stops are in take profit, and that is usually the best way to trade in my opinion. You want to find a good area to long or short from. The reason I shorted from this area right here was because this is, if I keep dragging my chart out, was because this is the fib level right here at 0.5, a good resistance level. We previously saw a bit of resistance from the top of this area right here. We resisted it here once before, twice nearly, so it was a clear resistance level. It was also just above these highs, which means there's going to be a bit of liquidations here. So yeah, a very easy to trade to take, sort of just a quick scalp entry, sniper entry I should say, really, and just holding it down. Very similar play to the Bitcoin short that we had, except that it wasn't on the stock market open, but that was definitely used as confidence because we could have even entered at the stock market open right here where it slowly peaked up just before the stock market opened. As soon as it opened, it crashed back down and we would have gotten not a bad entry either. So you can really do it on any coin, that strategy, until it stops working. So for now, it's not stopped. It's been working for at least 1.5 weeks, and yeah, if you're able to get 1-2 trades and then it stops working, then you'll have still profited as long as you don't try and continuously do it. Apart from that, we also have to take a look at the S&P, which obviously we talked about this. It looks like it can break out very soon. It is in this bullish flag. Previously, it was also in a bullish flag before it broke out to the all-time high. Similarly here, it usually does this very often. You know, we see a bullish flag like this, breaks out, new all-time high, some sort of new flag, breakout, all-time high, flag, breakout, all-time high, and it's just a continuous pattern. So we're definitely looking like we can break out very soon, hopefully during February. February is still, you know, quite a long way away until the end, so we definitely have a lot of room to grow. US yields higher after Powell comments. Not really much news, you know, that's affecting crypto all that much, or the stock market. Again, Bitcoin, we have to wait until this comes to 111 to clear those liquidations. They're still there, still a lot of them. It's hundreds of millions worth of liquidations, so I'm not fully sure right now why we are crashing. I think, you know, the stock market open sort of confluence trade isn't the main cause, unless people are actually selling out of crypto and Bitcoin ETF to invest back into the stock market. So maybe that is one of the reasons, but I highly doubt it affects you know, crypto and Bitcoin by 2%, which is quite severe when you think it's a multi-trillion market cap asset. Other meme coins compared to Doge though are performing a lot worse, like Dog with Hat down 6%, whereas Doge is only down 1.4. I mean, I wouldn't even, like, Dog with Hat is one of the worst performing meme coins I've seen. It's, I mean, it's just in this ever trending downtrend with very low volume. You could probably even try and short this to zero. Like, it only really moves up when the market is seeing a huge pump up, and even then it will just crash back down. So that might be a worthwhile trade. Pepe, again, you know, crashing back down, hit this resistance level at 0.382. Would have been potential for some shorts, but didn't really observe. Pepe was more focused with Doge. Doge and Pepe have got a very similar, you know, recent chart with this wick and this uptrend, but Doge is obviously a lot higher up with its ties to Elon Musk and to the US government as a whole. SHIB really underperforming in my opinion. It is in this like pennant that we have here, just a consolidation. Interesting to see which way it breaks out, probably to the downside, especially if crypto continues going down. Then it will probably break out to the downside unless we get some sort of major news which can cause it to pump to like 19. Regardless, I think we'll probably go to like 12 and a half, even if that does happen. And that's practically it for the meme coins. You know, I don't want to go too deep into other meme coins. We can actually take a look at Trump though and see how this is acting, but yeah, it's all the way down at $15. Might be a good buy, I'm not sure. You know, Trump himself or his company is holding for 3 years as it's capped and locked up, but I mean, is the hype dead? I'm not too sure. I've not really observed Trump coin all that much. All I did with the meme coin craze was, as soon as Melania launched, I bought in at like $3 or $4, and then yeah, sold at 11, so near the top. And that was practically, I didn't jump into any of the meme coins apart from that one, and obviously Doge I don't even class as a meme coin anymore. It's more of the bluest of blue chip meme coins there is. So yeah, that's practically it. Again, if you want to be getting trades sent to you every single day that I'm personally taking and that my team is taking, we have an 80% win rate, absolutely crushing it in the market. Make sure you join up the Discord down below, because there you'll be able to copy all of our trades. If you need a place to actually take those trades and take trades like I did on Bitcoin today for the lowest fees with the best spreads, you know, there was absolutely no spread there in this trade. Fees were very minimal. If you need an exchange like that, then check out all the ones we're working with down below. I personally took this trade on Weeks and Mexi, both those exchanges, as those are the ones that are available in my country. But again, you know, Weeks is available worldwide, no KYC. Mexi and Bybit, certain locations, but they are great also. So yeah, check out in the description down below. With my link, you'll get the lowest fees and a few good sign up rewards. Thank you all for watching. Please do like and subscribe. I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye guys.